Live. Now, she was on our show last year with her bass, and she's back to tell us about her new project and to, of course, perform for us. Welcome, Jamila Falak.
Thank you very much.
Hi, what's
Like
up?
it's always a pleasure to have you.
Tell us a little bit about your new project.
All right, well, my debut single, I just released it.
Great.
It's called Lady. It's on the Big Woman Things album initiative of Girls Limited.
Yes,
So this is
Big
their
up, big
first project, and this is my first release. So I'm so happy that I get to do it.
Awesome.
Awesome sauce. And
Yeah.
who did you work with on this project?
I worked with a couple musicians, songwriters, overall creatives. Music video is out as well, so I worked with GD Films on the music video.
Wicked.
So
Garrett, big up
big up
yourself.
yourself, Garrett.
Which song you going to perform for us today?
I'm gonna perform the single for you guys.
What? I like that song, you know.
And tell us
It's
quickly,
actually a favorite of my mother.
Are
My
you
mother
serious?
loves that song.
Oh
yeah,
my
man.
and quickly, who is on the keyboards?
O'Neill Dakers, my very,
Bop,
very,
bop.
very
Okay. All right, Jamila, the
Brother.
floor is yours. Take it
I'm
away.
gonna take it away.
Do you think?
I was afraid of climbing mountains, but now I'm willing to fly. My tears have filled fountains, left me empty inside. Finally, it came to me. I was being my worst enemy, and the battles I've been fighting were against me. Positivity, I changed my mood. Me, I rock this brand new attitude. Dancing to this rhythm of life. I'm a lady, so life better treat me accordingly. Just like a queen wearing my crown, I deserve it. I'm a lady, so life better treat me accordingly. Just like a queen wearing my crown, I deserve it. It's like I found a little secret and I can't keep it to myself. If you're looking for some answers, I hope this could help. Every new morning when you wake up, just look in the mirror and say, I'm a brand new me, ready to take on the world today. Positivity, I change my mood. Me, I rock this brand new attitude. Dancing to this rhythm of life. I'm a lady, so life better treat me accordingly. Just like a queen wearing my crown, I deserve it. So when that booty go, booty lang lang, I'm confident, don't get the wrong impression. Worthy and proud, I sing it loud. I am woman, 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 woman. I'm a oh. I'm a confident woman. Watch my booty bang bang. Whoa, oh yeah. Confident and beautiful woman. And I no longer fear the mountains. 'Cause now I'm willing to fly. No longer cry fountains. Because I'm feeling alive. Positivity, I change my mood. Me, I rock this brand new attitude. Dancing to this rhythm of life. I'm a lady, so life better treat me accordingly. Just like a queen wearing my crown, I deserve it. I'm a lady, so life better treat me accordingly. Just like a queen wearing my crown, I deserve it.
Wicked. Awesome. It's like them songs are, I love them, but it's
I
like
love-
that.
I
I
love
sing out. I'm a
instrumentals.
But it's nice though. I love it.
So tell me quickly, where is your next big performance? Because you have to go drop that song here somewhere, somehow.
Yes,
You know?
I've been performing it even before it was released.
Oh,
just to
sweet.
Just to test it out. But my next performance is gonna be at Vibe Style Sessions at UE.
Wicked.
And after that will be the Jamaica Rum Festival
Oh,
Nice.
sweet.
as well. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you can mash up the face, man. Holy pot talent. Extra.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
Yeah, man.
Una glass is awesome.
Give
yeah,
them.
We can
you
get
know.
a frame or we
You want a
don't say
frame?
no.
You want a frame?
Triple
You know,
glasses,
you know,
6
triple
eyes.
glasses,
Yeah.
we get that.
6 eyes.
And tell you quickly where we can find you on social media.
Okay, at Jamila Falak, all social media platforms, Jamila Falak.
Which is right.
Yes.
So that's it. Thank you very much for tuning in to Daytime Live.